Welcome to this tutorial video. It's Temple Chidi here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create awesome whiteboard animation using the Benime Pro app. So let me play the sample video I'll be showing you how to create. So let's see how it goes. Welcome to Tsmart collection. At Tsmart collection, we are home for your favorite shoes such as leather shoes, foreign, rubber, and even female ones, and also bags. We have your favorite foreign bags, leather, designers, and lots more. Quality and fast delivery is our watchword. Contact us now at tsmartcollection.com. Alright, so welcome. So this is a 3-slide animation created using the Benime Pro app, and it is exactly this video that I'll be showing you how to create. Alright, so I'll show you how to bring in your logos, how to add images, how to add stickers, how to add your voiceovers, how to add music, and how to render your video properly, how to download your video to your phone storage. Alright, so it is the complete tutorial video on Benime. After watching this video, you can create awesome whiteboard animation using the Benime app. You can create for your business, you can create for others, and make money with it. So to get the Benime Pro app, you can check the description of this video. I'll be dropping the link to the app on my Google Drive, so you can just click on the link and install the Benime Pro app. The Benime Pro app will give you lots of features. You can render your video without the Benime watermark, and your video quality will be very high. Alright, it will be very awesome. So check the description of this video so that you can get the Pro app and start creating awesome whiteboard animation. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. So when you open up the app for the first time, so this is just the first interface. To start creating video with the Benime, you tap on the plus sign at the downside. So once you tap on it, you choose your canvas size, then you name your video. Right, so the first one is title, so I'll just name it tutorial. Then for the canvas size, I think I'm okay with YouTube 1080 pixel. Right, so I'm okay with this canvas size. You can choose your own. There are many: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So whichever that suits the platform you want to upload your video, you can go ahead with that particular size. Right, so once you are done, you tap on create video. So this is the work interface where you design your slides, right, your video slides. By the time we start working on the video, you understand what these tools are used for, but I'll just go ahead and make some quick explanation. So this is where you tap on to save your video as project. Then you can play your video here. To download your video to your phone, you click on make movie. Then at the downside, this is for stickers and images, to bring images from your phone. This is for text, and this is for background. We have the white background now. You can tap on background to choose another color. This is for hand. All right, so how you want to animate the video, the hand you want to use, you find lots of them there. Then this is for music. All right, so and here now, this implies that we have one slide here. So then to add another slide, you tap on the plus sign. So this is how these tools work. So for the background, you can see some other colors you can use. You can see whole lots of other colors. So I'm okay with the white background. You can also select an image from your phone. Alright, so now let's just start with text. Let's say I want to create a short advert for my fashion business. So I can go ahead to just write a welcome message. Welcome to Tsmart collection, and just say welcome to Tsmart collection. So these tools right now at the downside, you can see that it's not the same as the previous one. So this tool is particularly for this test we now have on the screen. All right, so you can use the tools at the downside to work on this on the text we now have here, and you can just touch the text to move it around. All right, so you can see for font, text color, size, align, edit to write. Maybe you want to change the words here. Then if you're okay with it, you click on the good sign. Then you have delay, duration, and pause. Then here you can see delete and all this. You can see copy and other tools there. So you can just use those tools to work on this particular test right now. So let's just play this particular one and see how it goes. Okay, so you can see welcome to Tsmart collection. So let me bring an image here. So I'll go to background. Okay, no, not background. I'll go to stickers. Then I'll go to add image so that I can bring an image from the gallery. But here you can see recent, you can see shapes, you can see business, then and an option to a kind of import animation and all this. You can also see this, right? So but now I want to pick an image from the gallery, probably my logo. So let me just get this. Now I can use my hand to position the image very well. Then I can just crop it. You can just use your hand to crop out some parts that you don't want. All right, so let me just go with this. So this is at the downside. You also see some tools you can use to work on this image. So right now I want to reduce the size. You can see the size. I want to reduce it, so I'll position it here. Now I'll just play to see how it goes. So you can see how it goes. So now the hand, let's say I don't want any hand. All right, so you can see different hands you can use. You can see different tools you can use to animate it. But right now I don't want anyone at all, so I'll just click on this. I'll just click on this. All right, so now if you play it, no hand is animating the objects, right? So everything is now showing. Okay, so now I will go ahead to add another sign to this. So I'll just hit on the plus sign like I showed you at the down right side. So I've added another sign. You can see the first sign here and the second sign. So I'll just bring in another text. You can just say we are home. All right, I can just say we are home. I'll say we are home for your favorite. Okay, we are home for your favorite. I can just write it, just position it here. Then for the font, you can look for something else. for something else. Okay, I'll just leave it this way. We are home for your favorite, so you can increase the size or you reduce it. Let's increase the size. So I'll bring in another text. I just want to say we are home for your favorite shoes and bags, so I can bring in another text and say shoes. Now position it here, and now maybe I can change the color to something else. So I'll just write shoes. Can change the color to something else. Alright, so let me go for red shoes. Alright, and for the font I can just go for Meriwether. Okay, I'll just leave it this way. I'll just go for this. I'll just leave it this way. Then I want to just these shoes, I want to a kind of let me just animate it. So let me animate it to bounce. I want it to bounce. So you can see just tap on this point, just tap here to add that effect. So you can see how it goes. So you see how it's going. So now I just want to bring some samples of the shoes, of the type of shoes that I sell, maybe just to show an image on the video. So again, I'll go to stickers and I'll bring, you can also search this is for recent. If you use any images already, you will find them on recent. Alright, you'll find them here. So I've created a video already of this nature. So for other shapes, you can see other shapes you can use here and all of that. Alright, so let me just I've already shown how to bring images from the phone, so I'll just go to recent and I'll pick some bags. So I'll just bring more. Okay, I'll first start with shoes. Alright, so I have to delete the bag. I'll just bring more shoes here. Let me bring from my phone gallery. Let me just go to my phone gallery and get some image. Right, so I'll just pick some shoe samples. I'm bringing the shoes that I have erased their background, right? So that it will match with the white background. So I'll do a video to show you how to erase image background, so you'll be able to know the process. So let's say I just want to add these few images. So I'll just bring another text. I'll say and bags. Okay, so I'll just write and this time around I'll just give it a black color. Alright, so I'll just bring another text. I'll just write bags. So you can just take your time to design your video very well. You design your video very well. So I'll give it the red color this time around, and I will still animate it. I'll go with the bounce, and now I want to bring some images again. So I'll just go to recent and pick some bags. I'll just go to images again. From stickers you can go to your images. Let me go to recent and see if I can find other bags, but I can't find the one I'm looking for. Let me go directly to my phone gallery. So I'll bring this image. Alright, so I'll get let me just see if I can get one more image of a bag. Okay, so I'll just position it here. So you see how it goes. So there are just samples of products. Can increase their sizes a little bit. So I can now play this video, so you can see welcome to Tsmart. But you notice that these images, they are taking so long to show. Alright, so it implies that the duration is much. Alright, so I just want them to just show ASAP. They are taking so much, so I will reduce the duration to say 1.05 or even 1.0, because it's just to give ideas the samples of the product. maybe when you direct them to your website, they can find more images. So it's not to show them the clear images they are buying. It's just a tutorial. You can also decide to show more of your product. You can just be listing the images you have, and you can even use more slides to do it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I just want a very short video, so I can just go ahead to reduce the duration. So you can also see delay is 0 and pause is 0. So now when I play this video, you will see how fast it will go. So I think this is way better now. So I'll just add one more slide just for the closing. I'll just add one more slide for the closing, and here I can just write something like fast delivery. Okay, I can just say quality and fast delivery assured, or I can just say quality and fast delivery assured. This is just a kind of closing. So I'll just go ahead to use black, and maybe I will now go to stickers, and I'll go to business to see if I can find. Alright, so I'll just use this. I'll just pick one of these. Let me go with the second one. Let me try that again. Okay, let me just pick it from recent. Okay, so let me just pick it from recent since I've used it before. So I can just increase the size. The essence of this image is just to demonstrate this write-up. I say fast delivery and everything, and you can see the image has a motto and a phone call, time and message, all of that. So it's a kind of to back up this write-up here. Now I can just say contact us today. I can just say contact us now. Can reduce the size. Here. Can as well change the font. So I can just look for a font that's so I can just say contact us now, and maybe I will kind of animate it this way. Then I will bring in another text. I can just say tsmartcollection.com. You can also write a WhatsApp. You can use your WhatsApp number for your own, whatever it is. This is just to demonstrate how you can create a whiteboard animation, how you can use text, images, stickers and all of that. And this website is not a real one right now. It's just for the purpose of this tutorial. So I can just use the red color for it, and the text I would like it to stand out, so I can just use Roboto font. Then I would like it to flash. And I can play this video right now to see what it has for us. Okay, so I think the Tsmart collection should not let me just use the default animation. I don't want it to shake. Alright, so I don't want it to shake. So that is just it. Let's play it once more to see how it goes. Alright, so as you can see guys, I can just increase the size of this website to 100. So as you can see, this is just all about it. Alright, so this is how to create my whiteboard animation using Benime. So to save as project, you can just tap on that and you save as project. It means when you open the app again, you will see this video and you can tap on it to continue with your creation or editing. But now to download it to your phone directly, you click on make movie, then you can just give it a name once more. Let me name it tutorial again. You can always change the name after downloading it. So you can see an option if you see green screen on export. So let's just go with it that way. No need to turn on this option. Alright, so just click on make movie and then you allow it to complete. Alright, you complete the rendering. You can see it is rendering the movie and it will take about 32 seconds for the complete rendering. So just allow it. You just click on save and that is that. You've successfully downloaded the movie. So now let's play this movie and see what we just created. So I just click on play movie. Now open with let me go with S player. You can see this is just what we just created. Now you can find this movie on your media player. Alright, so now let me just go to files. So you can just see the movie we created. So you can just see it here. So there's one more thing I need to show you before we round up this tutorial. So I need to show you how you can add voiceovers and music to your video and how you can go back to your project and continue your work. Alright, so let me open up the Benime app. So this is the last project we just did, the video we just created and downloaded. Remember, we saved as projects before downloading, so that's why we now have this project here. So I'll open up the video. So let me play this video so that you are sure it is the video we just created. So as you can see, this is the video we just created, and now you can continue your editing. Alright, you can just continue whatever I want to do. You can add more scene. If you made a mistake, you can do corrections and all of that. But now I want to show you how you can add music or voiceovers to your video. So I'll go to music. So on the left side you can see music track, on the right side you can see voiceover. Alright, so let's start with music track. Now when I hit on music track, it will take me to my gallery to pick an audio. So I think it is just at the right place. So let me go to audio lab folder. So these are just short music scenes that I've already splitted. So you can also, this is the app I use to split my music, Audio Lab. You can get Audio Lab on Play Store. Alright, so you can use it to split your music. So this is what Audio Lab looks like. You can use to trim your audio, you can split, you can mix. So it makes sense so that you can take the part of the music you want to have on your video. You can just split the music and take only that part to your video. Right, so now I'll just pick the one that I have here. I'll just pick one of these and let's go with Fino Around Town.
I know you got me.
No. Let me go for Fino Around Town. So this is it. If you want to have only the music on your video, you can just have only the music. As you can see down here, you can also reduce the volume. Alright, so this is how it is done. Now you can also delete the music and add only voiceover. So let me show you how you can add voiceover to your music. So I'll just hit on voiceover, then I'll start saying what I want to have on the video. So let me play it and see how it goes. Welcome to Tsmart collection. At Tsmart collection, we are home for your favorite footwears such as leather pumps, foreign shoes, rubber, and even females. And also we have your favorite bags such as designers, foreign, and lots more. Quality and fast delivery is our watchword. Contact us now at tsmartcollection.com. Okay, so that is exactly how to add it, and if you are done, you click on the good sign. So you can go ahead to have the music and the voiceover on your videos. The essence of having the music play on the background is to keep your audience glued to your video, alright, to keep them entertained while you are saying what you want to say. Alright, so you can now go ahead and create awesome whiteboard animation using the Benime Pro app. You can decide to make your video longer, you can add more scene, you can decide to have only the music or the voiceover. However you want to have your video, you are free to do so. Alright, so you can just play around the app and see how the features will work for you. Alright, so you can also reduce the volumes like I showed you. The music volume can be very loud and your voiceover may not be heard very well, so you want to make sure your voiceover is heard louder than the music so that your message will pass properly. So you reduce the volume very well, then you can go ahead to render your video by clicking on make movie. Alright, so you click on make movie and you allow it to render properly just like I've showed you initially. So when you are done, you have your video ready on your phone storage. So this will be the end of our tutorial, and I hope I've been able to show you all around this app. So if you find value in this video, please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up so that lots of people can find this video and also get value from it. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, before you go, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you'll be among the first people to get notified each time I upload a training video like this. Our channel is dedicated to bring you free training on high income generating digital skills that can help you to maximize your online presence, alright, and turn your smartphone into an income channel. So if you like us to see your project, if you have something you want to share with us, contribution, whatever, I've created a Facebook group where we can interact and share value together. So I'll see you in the next video.